Today you will learn how to merge layers in Adobe Illustrator. So create a document and go to Layers panel on right side. As you can see, there is one layer by default created by Adobe Illustrator. You can draw any shape or object on first layer. Go to Properties to fill color and other editing stuff you required. This is happening on first layer. To create another layer, click here. Another layer will be created. So you can create as many layers as you want. Now, to merge these layers, hold the right click on your mouse and drag your mouse to select all the layers. And go to Small menu and select Merge Selected. As you can see, all layers are merged. This is the main layer. You can change the name of this main layer. You can also control the visibility of all layers by clicking here.